Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could look for good coins that can actually give you less than 2s or 2s or even 10s. You get these are actually pretty much good coins with good liquidity and good community. You get absolutely you don't have anything to lose on this coin because they have proven to have do well. You get so there are coins that you can potentially hold for like few months. You get so it is very simple. I'm going to click on filters. I'm going to put liquidity to 1 million. Remember, you have to click on Dexscreener and make all Dexscreener Solana. Put liquidity for 1 million and click on apply. Do that. It's going to give you coins, potentially coins that the liquidity is 1 million first, and they are actually old coins that have already established. There's those coins, these coins are already established. So you can potentially look at few of them. This World Liberty is actually a coin that was launched by Donald Trump. Market cap is about 24 billion. I would not recommend you go trade this particular coin right now because might goes up, but there are people who put money in this coin and it might make money from it, but I don't know. But I've not checked the coin out because I was not interested in it. But there are other ones with lower market cap that I kind of open up. We have POS created about 5 months ago. It has look at the volumes and suddenly it started getting kind of volume it gets for the past few weeks. And there are a few ones through this, right? I'm really looking for the ones that is less than $100 million because if I buy the one, certainly I buy this particular one, right? And it gets to let's say 20 million, I will make close to like 4s of it or even 2s. It gets to 100 million, I can make like 10s. For this particular one, you get that it's currently 40 million. If I buy it and it gets to 80 million, that means 2s. So I'm looking for coins that the market cap is kind of below 100 million, you get, but they still have volume coming in. You get these are the ones that I'm kind of interested in because when I look at the chart, I can do some kind of analysis and see if they are worth buying or not. You get so let's look at the few ones that are open. This USA and you can see people volume coming in into this particular coin because there is more buys coming into this particular coin. I don't know what's happening. Probably it's coin is kind of trendy again. If you check, the coin was kind of dead, kind of stagnant at this particular place for a long time. Suddenly, so the pump comes in. So, and from this, can see it's about 9 million market cap and currently kind of stagnant at this place. So, this is one of the potential coins that I might probably be looking to buy and holding for some weeks because I kind of make use of this filter, put in $100 and as you guys can see, there are people putting in money into this particular coin. You get so potentially, if I buy at this particular place, you can get to 20 million market cap and take profit off it. You get so the other ones is this particular one to Cabo 40 million market cap. Also, the good thing about this coin is that I don't really have to do much analysis to get because there are coins that was kind of dead before or were just going sideways so the volumes came to the coins you get. So what I'll be doing is simply looking for ways to enter, you get find entry, enter the coin and then take profit as it pumps you get. So if not thing I'm going to do is simply click on this funnel and put this in $100 and just see if the people buy into the coin. Very easy you get. So this is what I like to the old coins because people putting in $1K, $100. So these are coins that for some reasons they are currently trendy you get. So there are coins that I might look to you get. So you should know that I'm not recommending you buy any of these particular coins because by the time you get to see this video, these coins might have done or the multiple they want to do and might have died down you get. So I'm just teaching you guys so that you guys should know how to look for your own coins by yourself as you can see. Get. So this other one, I think this is the coin that Donald Trump launched. The people buy into the coin though, but the market cap is already very high. Yeah, the market cap is too high. Market cap is very high, about 38 billion. And if you see, like about if the token is mutable, the token is freezable, liquidity is not locked, all those kind of stuff you get. So if this is rug, or if they decide to rob the community, they can easily rob the community. There are people putting in 2K dollars, 500K dollars. So for you with low capital, I don't think this is the best coin you should buy because the current market cap is about uh 24 billion. For you to make 2x, you need to go to $48 billion. And for you to make like you need to go to about $88 billion. Yeah, that's a whole lot of money you get. So you can probably stay off this particular coin and you get to wait if liquidity is finally locked, your liquidity is finally locked and the market cap has kind of reduced, has dropped, then you can potentially buy it. But now I don't think you should. And just take a mind of this Donald Trump coin at the moment. Then this particular last one is also a good one I might still be looking into again because there are coins that have been on for some time, so they get pumped, probably due to trend or whatever. I don't know, but you can see they are doing really very well. So instead of you trading high risk new meme coin, you can simply trade these coins that have already established yet. Actually trade this kind of already established. Just look for ways to buy at the deep and wait for them. Once they pump, you can make simple 2x of it yet. So you can see at this place of 48 million to at this particular place was almost close to 2x of it, risk free yet. So guys, this I can actually look for this kind of coins pretty much easy. You get and the analysis you get to do is kind of reduced because obviously obviously, the coin is already established. You won't be scared of getting lucky yet. All you need to do is to look for good entry. Okay, if I want to enter into this particular one, probably I'm going to put in 5 minutes and I'll be looking to hold for some couple of days yet. So currently, it's at 8 million market. 8 million market cap is actually a very good market cap, like to buy into yet. But uh, I might try to buy at this particular place and just wait. If there's any pump, yet I can set off again for this particular one. I can still wait and see if people are going to say, people say I can enter this particular place, but this place is also fine for me to enter again. So I can enter this particular place because since more volumes are coming in, get more buyers are coming in. Not those ones with not these particular ones. That's why I prefer to just use this dollar filter to filter out those buying with smaller amount of money. Again, they are get to see what the real people that have money are doing. Get as you can see, more sales are coming in, so I can kind of wait for the market cap to dip. And once it dip, I buy and take control of it. It's very easy. So guys, this I can simply do this. Get it is very easy. So you can get to uh, check this out, filter, and do your check that. You need to check your social media page to see if the account is kind of active too, and all of this stuff. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please do it to like, do it to subscribe, and turn on the bell icon. Do my Telegram and WhatsApp community. Turn on the bell icon so that you can get I drop videos like this. And guys, I'll see my next video. Peace out.